Okay, once the customer turns on the TV, it's going to have this page. This is going to be a welcome video. You can put anything you want on it. You can press any key, then you can have different languages. Let's select English, and we'll give you this page. Now, up here, you can change, the client can scroll through the pictures. And let's say they want to watch live TV, you're going to go down to live TV, and you'll have the lineup here. You can change or by pressing the number or by going up and down. So let's say press 1, it goes to ABC. And in the bottom right, you can see there's a splash image that you can customize as well. Okay, so you exit, and now you're going to go to VOD, movies, and you have them all categorized. So let's say you want to watch this, press OK, you can put it to your favorite, you can monetize it, start charging for it, or you can just give it out for free, and it will play. Let's look for a movie that I already set up. Okay, you can pause, rewind, fast forward, etc. Alright, so now you have the playback. This is an option if you want to record the live TV all the time. You can go to playback and start looking at let's say ABC. You can record every hour, so if someone missed the channel, missed an episode, they can go back and watch it. This is the functions for the hotel. You have different pictures that you can add, and people can just go through them. And this is for dining. Let's say you can customize, you want sushi, fast food, etc. And you can go in and order. Let's say I want to order a hamburger. How many I want? I want 2. Press OK. And then I'm going to go to my order, and I'll see my total price. Then submit. Now this is going to go straight to front desk or a station that you have in your restaurant, and you can look for the status. I will show you later on how to control this. Okay, so that's for the restaurant. Now you can also put different scenes, so people can go you can put screens Okay, housekeeping. Okay, you have different options for housekeeping. You can request for a service. This is gonna alarm. It's gonna send a notification on your web panel, most probably to front desk. Valet services, wake up. You can change. You can put your alarm. Rental services, you can have different stuff that you can offer. You can request it. I will show you later on how it will notify the front desk. And this is all your services that you have requested. You also have your billing. It will show you how much you owe. We can add different apps. We can add YouTube, Netflix, whatever you want. This is if you want to check in and check out, and that's the settings that's secured at this time. We put a password on it so nobody can change the settings. Okay, now I'll show you the back end. Okay, this is your back end panel. You can back up. This is your administration. You can restore, upload videos and pictures, client status, and messages. You can have different access. You can have one for your restaurant, one for the front desk, and etc. We're going to go first to clients. I'm going to go client group. I can have different groups or different rooms. I'm gonna have, right now, I'm gonna have a check-in. So I'm gonna add a new client. Let me get this. Okay, so let's say I have 2 rooms. I'm gonna check in a new client. It's gonna be client, let's say Mark, and some is putting in $200. You can have different welcome messages. This is welcome Mark, and submit. We can have already preset messages. So on the client welcome page, it's going to say his name. You can choose not to show, but you can have a universal message as well. So let's say the customer is in his room and he's going to request a butler. So I'm going to press OK on the screen, and now you're going to get a notification like this, and you're going to hear it notify. You're going to go room service. Okay, Mark had requested for this. You can respond, and once it's done, you can finish, and the client will see also the status of it. And same thing goes if he's going to order some food. So let me go on the TV. I'm going to order some food. Okay, so now I order some food, and I'm going to submit the order. And submit. Now you can see it's going to pop up, request. The client requested something. They want 3 hamburgers. I'm going to say that I received it. Then when it's done to deliver, I'm going to go finish. Now that's done. Now let's look at the live TV programming. Live TV, we can change the logo. This is all the channels, all the streams. And you can put a time shift, meaning that it's going to keep on recording this channel, and the client can go back and watch anything that they had missed for about a week or so. It depends how long you want to keep it. All right, we can edit and change a lot of stuff here. VOD, this is your categories. This is where we upload movies, and this is the movie lineup. You can put a price on it, or you can give it out for free. This is for something later on we can use. Advertisement. You can put a welcome screen. This is going to show all the time on top of your welcome page. If, let's say, you have different messages, you can change boot image. You can put a lot of different pictures here, or messages, or advertising. This is for if you have a video to also upload when you turn on the TV. This is your welcome messages. You can change different colors, themes for your presentation of the screen on the TV. This is your hotel information. If you have different pictures for your hotel. This is your food categories, your goods. This is your what you had records already of what the people ordered, and also different scenes that you can put for the clients to look at in the, for advertising or different areas on the island. This is the managers. You can create different access users, and you can control what they would have access to. So let's say this person, I want to give him only access to check-in, check-out, or modify live TV. You can control a lot of stuff from here. Data sheet. Data sheet shows you what you had done as money, revenue, and also what people are watching, if you had monetized VOD. This is the evaluation page. Settings, you can change different settings, you can put a different logo, etc. This is where you're streaming. server, and this is your computer information. So that's all for the backend.